guys a few strategies that we use in our group. Alright, this pair is the Euro cat. Alright, this is the weekly chart. Okay, so what happens is we can see a nice downtrend over here. Alright, downtrend. Price eventually moves up. Alright, moves up, reaches down here, backs down, moves up again, gets rejected, goes down again. So now what happens in this area and this area, alright, is we can draw a price pivot area over here. Alright, so let's see. We draw a horizontal line in this area. Okay, let me adjust it a little. Alright. Okay. In this, let me draw this. Okay, at the 1.36900 level. Alright, we usually like to draw the price pivot over at the even number. Alright, so this is the 1.36900 level. Okay, so what happens is price moves up, back goes down, gets rejected by the resistance over here. Alright, heads up, goes down, eventually it breaks up with a nice bullish bar. Okay, so price moves up, and what happens here? Price meets some resistance over here. So what we can do here is we can draw another price pivot area. Okay, so let's see. Alright, I will draw this at the 1.3500 level. Alright, 1.435. Okay, so what happens is this is another price pivot area. So price moves up, alright, gets rejected, comes back down, and it meets the previous resistance, which now acts as a support. Alright, remember this is a weekly time frame. The higher the time frame, the stronger it is. Alright, the stronger the support and the stronger the resistance it is. Okay, so in this area, when price first backs down, alright, and reaches this area, it will be great, okay, if we have a price action confirmation in a smaller time frame. Alright, so this is the weekly chart. Let's go back to the daily time frame, alright, to see if there's anything. Okay, so this is the daily time frame. Alright, in the daily time frame, alright, we can see here this is the previous price pivot we draw. Alright, we can see it's now in confluence with the 150 EMA. Alright, this is in confluence. So now this is a strong area to take note. Okay, so now let's zoom down even further to the lower time frame to see if there is any price action confirmation for us to enter. Okay, so now this is the daily time frame. Okay, now let's go down one step lower to the 4 hour. Okay, so what happens in the 4 hour here? Okay, can we see price sits down? Alright, this is the previous price pivot area, the weekly one. Alright, so price gets rejected. Alright, price moves up, get rejected again by the 365, which now acts as the resistance. Okay, so naturally price moves down again. So this is alright, price moves down. This is like a mini pin. Alright, not that great of a pin, so we probably didn't take this pin. So price sits down again to the previous support level and the previous resistance level. Alright, so this is the price pivot area, and now what this happens is it forms a double bottom. Can we see here? It goes down, it gets rejected, it goes up, it comes down again, and it now forms a double bottom. Alright, and in this